Ashi Upadhyay from Rajasthan. I scored 4 points, and I think the most interesting game of this tournament was yesterday's game against Falak Johnny Nayak. So that was like a roller coaster in the starting. I don't know if I had a good position or not, but I think it was better for me. And later I was losing, but after I think 4 hours or so, it ended up in a draw.
Amazing. And how was your total experience of playing such a strong tournament?
Well, I believe it was quite tough for me, but okay, I scored 4 points anyhow, but I could have done better, but I learned a lot.
Hi everyone, I'm Advika Sarupriya, and in total I had 5 points. So the most interesting game, I think it was the second round, which I won against Anna Zurova. She was 2-2-3-9, and it was equal. I played the French. It was equal till the middle game, but I think she blundered knight of 5. She blundered something, and eventually in the end of the game I got the advantage. I was 2 pawns up and I was 2 pawns up and I had a lot of advantage, so I converted the game and I won the game.
Amazing, amazing.
I am Ashita Jain. This is my first time ever playing a FIDE World Junior. I had a great experience. I scored 6 points out of 11 and I have raised an rating, I guess, of 130 points. So it was a really good experience. I learned a lot. I learned playing, facing players from all across the world was a different experience from me, and it was really good.
Amazing.
I'm Falak, and I didn't play that well. The tournament didn't go that well, but I guess we learn from our mistakes and we'll work hard for the next tournament.
Right. But you enjoyed playing in this tournament.
Yeah,
right?
definitely.
And here comes the rapid fire. I'll ask the question and you have to answer quickly.
Yeah,
Let's start
sure.
with you.
Okay.
Okay. So you get a genie, you meet a genie, and he grants you 2 wishes. You can only take one. Okay. So the first wish is you can get all the money in the world for 1 year.
Okay.
All the money in the world. Or you can become the world chess champion for 1 year. Which one would you choose?
I think world chess champion, because like that would be something for lifelong. Like even if I just become it for 1 year, I can always say that, like, okay, I was the world champion for at least 1 year. But if I become the richest person, that won't be so much considered. That's why.
Okay.
I think I would of course choose the second option, because I mean, being a world champion is a really big deal for me, because being the greatest at something, it's really what I've been looking for, and I think it's a really good, I would choose the second option for sure.
Maybe the first one.
Unlimited money.
Yeah, but so I can like work hard with the coaches and play many tournaments, and then maybe I can become the world champion in the
Right.
future.
Okay. Yeah. And you can become a long-term world
Yeah,
champion.
right.
Okay.
I agree. I agree. I'll pick the first one because exactly I can work with coaches and I'll work hard on myself and maybe get a long-term world championship than just a year.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
a month actually.
Sorry, just a month.
Month. Okay. Next question to you.
Okay.
You are in your room and there's a fire.
Okay.
Okay. What is the first thing you'll take and run away?
It depends. Like, what does my room have? Like in
Everything important in your room you have in your room.
I think my phone.
Okay. Okay. You?
My laptop and my
A laptop. Okay. Nice.
I think I would take my laptop because it has all the information that I need to play chess. So I would of course pick the laptop.
Fire is something I'm most scared of, so I'm not really sure. I think I'll just run away with myself, taking my own body and nothing else. But if really it should be something, then not really sure. But okay, some device like phone or something, because it has a lot of photos and things, like important things. That's why just
Memories.
memories. Yes.
Okay. Next question to you.
Okay.
Okay. Which is your favorite chess book?
Uh, I cannot say that, but
Okay. Tell me the last book you read.
I think I read that Garry Kasparov's predecessors.
Oh, okay.
That's,
Okay. My great friend.
Long back, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
The last book I read was Simple Chess. It's a really good book, and I've learned a lot of things from that. It's it has many games, so it's it's really good.
I've been doing a lot of chess informants recently.
Informants.
Yeah, I don't remember like the number, but chess informants I would say I've done recently.
I think for puzzles I did an anthology last. Usually I don't use many chess books. I prefer like seeing games and all of that stuff.
Okay, nice. Okay, next question to you.
Yeah.
Okay, if you are too young for this question, but I'll still ask that.
Okay.
If there is a movie
Okay.
made on your life, what would it be named?
Okay. Wow, I need to think about it.
What comes first in your mind? That's rapid fire.
I don't know, like honestly, I don't have anything in my mind right now about this.
That can be a title.
Okay.
It's a rapid fire.
Okay,
not a
maybe
classical
something
fire.
maybe something related to struggles, maybe struggles of a young girl.
Ah, nice.
Chess is not simple.
Ah, nice.
Neither chess nor studies are simple. So,
Right. Okay. Final question. As we know that Ding versus Gukesh is going to happen, we don't know where, but who is your? I would not say who is going to win. What is your prediction? Who is your favorite and
of
why?
course, Gukesh.
Why?
I would support my own country. I would really love to see an Indian being a world champion. So, being a world champion, so it would be great.
Right.
Yeah, both players are really strong, but I would of course pick Gukesh. Not of course, but I would pick Gukesh because I mean I really like his gameplay and like he's so calm. Like when he won a tournament, he was so calm. He showed no expression, and I think I would pick Gukesh to win the world championship.
Championship.
Definitely Gukesh. I
Why?
mean, he's young. He may like lack a bit of experience. Ding has already like played many tournaments, and so he definitely has more experience. But Gukesh is young and he has already defeated many top players. So maybe I guess that according to his style, he can win.
Yeah, I think obviously Gukesh. I think because he's being in great form right now, and Gukesh is young, yes, and he's really talented. I think Gukesh can win this.
Great. Thank you so much, girls, for answering the questions and playing this wonderful tournament. I hope you gained a lot of experience from it, and all the very best for the future tournaments that you're going to play.
Thank you so much.
Amazing. Thank you, girls, for your
Thank
time
you.
and showing us those wonderful games. I hope you had gained a lot of experience,
Yeah.
and all the very best for the next tournament.
Thank you.